This video will guide you through the installation of the MeLe lightweight battery mount for the 2013 Plus Subaru BRZ and Toyota 86. For this install, you'll need the following: ratchet wrench, 8-inch extension, 10mm socket, 10mm wrench, jam nuts, push nuts, washers, M6x1 screw, lateral J-hook support, bit driver with 4mm hex drive, flathead screwdriver, MeLe battery mount, the locking pin, and your choice of battery. To begin installation, first remove your OEM battery. Next, remove the two highlighted bolts that are securing the subframe brace. We will be using these two holes to mount the battery mount itself. To prepare the subframe brace for your mount, use the supplied screws, washers, and lock washer in the two holes shown in the video. Then reinstall the subframe brace and fully tighten the bolts. Next, we will work with the supplied lateral J-hook tie-in. This will come pre-assembled in the packaging. Remove the nut and washer from the tie-in and set aside to have it prepared for the next step of the installation. Prepare the mount with the nut and washer from the J-hook tie-in and two additional nuts from the supplied hardware. Then place the mount on top of the subframe brace. Use a 10mm socket to thread the supplied nuts onto the screws of the subframe brace. Now we will be using this hole on the front face of the mount to secure the mount to the frame of the vehicle with the J-hook tie-in. Follow the picture above for install, running the bolt through the frame into the plastic piece, and then secure it onto the side of the mount with the washer and the nut. Once the J-hook bolt is fully tightened, you are ready to install your new battery. Finally, attach your battery cables to the proper terminals and start your vehicle. Your installation of the MeLe lightweight battery mount is now complete. For any additional information on our products, you can check us out at www.meledesignfirm.com.